Today we are going to talk about something really mysterious. We call it as the divine ratio, or something ratio of divinity, or that is something supernatural, or even call it a magic ratio. And in reality, there is not much to do with spirituality or magic. It is pure mathematics, simple stuff. Okay, math is always simple. Straightforward thinking people can easily understand math. Okay, now see, this is just a pencil. You know that, right? Imagine I am making a point in such a way that if the whole length of the pencil is 10, okay, I am making a point so that 10 divided by this distance is same as this distance divided by the small distance. If this is the point, it is cutting this pencil into two parts, small part and longer part. Okay, so the whole length divided by the long part is same as the long part divided by the small part. Makes sense? That is what it is written. The whole pencil divided by the large part is same as the large part divided by the small part. Does it make sense? Now, why do we have to think in that tortured way? Really, there is not much of a tortured way in that. Do you see these numbers? And I mentioned these numbers once upon a time when we were talking about the Fibonacci sequence, or the parental line of a male honeybee. Okay, male honeybee can have only a mother, cannot have a father. Okay, so one male honeybee has one parent, that has two parents, mother and father. They have three parents, total together 5 parents. I explained it earlier. If we go further down and divide any number by the number just before that, then you get a number approximately 1.618. Okay, that is just approximation. Okay, as it goes larger and larger numbers, that number will become much more accurate. However, we call it golden ratio. In fact, it is not a ratio at all. So everything that it is called, it is not. Still, it is very significant. Okay. Now, a ratio means a whole number on the top and a whole number on the bottom divided by the other one. Okay. But this golden ratio is not a ratio. It is not a whole number. We call it an irrational number. Okay. In decimal point method, there is no repetition. Okay. Like 10 divided by 3 is 3.3333. That is repeating, but same number. Okay, so that is not an irrational number. But if it is like a e or pi or this magic ratio, which is called pi, tell you how to write that. Okay, there is a Greek alphabet letter. Okay, that is phi. That is the way we write it. Okay. Now, the importance of this number, okay, it has a lot of historical importance. Okay, maybe I will talk about the history later. Okay, that this number is present. We can see it in galaxies, or in the seashell, or even in the way the pineapple or sunflower, the seeds are arranged in spirals. Okay. Also, there is something called golden rectangle. Golden rectangle is a rectangle which can be cut into one square, and the rest of the whatever is left over is another golden rectangle that can be cut too. Okay, so I just wanted to take the magic out of the magic ratio. Makes sense? If you like what I said, subscribe to this channel and tell your friends. Okay, thank you for listening.